Vialytics approached SEH because they knew that we work with a lot of city and county clients. They're a company that created an AI pavement conditioning tool. You collect the data with a cell phone. You mount the cell phone to the vehicle, either inside in the windshield or exterior. You can drive every city up and down each side. Vialytics AI will analyze each of those photos and generate a pavement condition index for all of your city streets. Once you're looking at all of the data, you might want to zoom into those red pavement conditions and see that there's a big pothole that you weren't aware of. Through the software, you can create a work order, and that's going to tell maybe your maintenance superintendent, there's a problem here, can you go check out this pothole, have them evaluate if it needs to be filled right away, and then that closes the loop. The other data that it's collecting as you're driving is a lot of surface features. So you're inventorying every street sign as you drive past it, and it's looking at conditions. So if you drive past a street sign and it's got a branch in front of it, when you collect that data, you go to the dashboard, it's going to highlight that there are street signs that are blocked, that are maybe have graffiti on them, and you can zoom in to each of those street signs and create a work order, maybe have your maintenance superintendent go trim back a branch or something to make those street signs more visible. So once you've got all of your pavement ratings, the AI tool can also make recommendations for you for what to do next. So on your lowest rating, they might recommend a reconstruct, and maybe for your mid ratings, maybe a mill and overlay. And the AI can generate a recommendation for a 10-year plan, put costs to it, and that just aids in providing that capital improvement planning. So we did a couple of test runs with some of our clients, and they were very impressed. They compared the data that was AI generated to the data that they had collected on their own, and it was very, very close. It's a good start to help you determine that next 10 years for your pavements.